Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add background music to your video in InShot. So if you want to add background music, here's a quick tip on how to get it done. So first you have to do is tap on your video, your timeline, then tap on audio. Then you can easily import music from your local file or your cloud storage, or you can use the music in-app for the InShot. So just tap on this, then tap on the head of the videos. I'm going to use the first music video, first music. Okay, so just tap on use. So you can see this background music has been added to the video, and to make it more effective, so that the volume of the music or the sound would not overshadow the video we are trying to edit, just tap on the music added, then just tap on volume. They can lower the volume to a very low volume so that it will not affect the main content of the video. Then you tap on it, then you can play then the background music, or the background music will the background volume for the music will be minimal, so that the main content of the video will be passed across. And that is it. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.